Hello, my dear teachers. Welcome to our virtual INSET 2.0. And congratulations for those who successfully enrolled and logged in and enrolled in our learning management system. I know it's not that easy, right? Yes, I totally understand. And yes, since we were able to enroll, and we are too excited to answer the quizzes, and then we forgot to check our profile. So this is what happened. You see this certificate? This is my certificate. This is what happened to me. This is the mistake that I did. I answered immediately the quizzes because the internet connection isn't that good. So without thinking, checking my profile, so I got so surprised or shocked when I got my first certificate, day 1, quiz 1. So this is what happened to my name. It's all in small letters and without my middle initial. It's not that good to see in a certificate, right? Okay, have you also experienced the same thing? Yes, your names are in small letters and you don't have your middle initial there. Okay, yes, so worry no more. This video tutorial will help you ease that problem. Okay, so I'm here to help you with that. This is how to edit your complete name or to have a complete name in your certificate. Okay, so first things first, we need to go to our profile for our learning management system here, or the LMS. Okay, so this is already my dashboard. I just need to check my profile here. Okay, we click that part there and we'll see how we can edit our name. Okay, so others actually don't have their middle initial. Yeah, that's not a problem, but for others to have it really complete with their middle initial to be visible, okay, so we need to edit our profile. So it's in our how we write our first name, add our surname as well later. Okay, so in your user profile here, user profile. So I don't have the picture yet, but nothing to worry, it isn't that required in the certificate. So what we need to do again, here, so you click that drop down button and edit profile. You click the edit profile, and we'll wait for the site to load. So here we go. Okay, so first name, when we type our first name here, we type our first name, so first name, and then you also have to encode or input your middle initial only, it's already good. Then your surname here, okay, your email address, and then it's good to go. Okay, I think that this is update profile, by the way. Okay, once it's done, you go back to your dashboard. So I just need to check if my profile is already being updated. I think it is. I didn't change any. So I can go to my dashboard. And in your dashboard, the same thing that I have shown you earlier. So there is the recently accessed course. So that's the INSET 2.0. Then you finish the quizzes for the day. For example, day 2. So I think there are 5 quizzes for day 2. That's not really that sure. So each quiz will give you a certificate of participation and certificate of attendance. Once you're done with that quiz, you download your certificate. And okay, this is what happened. Okay, I think it's also best if you also have to make another file for all your certificates so that it's easier for you to find them later on when you need them. Okay, so in my case, so the name of my folder is INSET 2.0. So I will check the other certificate that I have. Okay, so there you go. You see, so it's already complete compared to my first certificate. Okay, so you can actually edit this one too by re-attempting the quiz. So you have the re-attempt quiz, so you have to, yes, do the quiz again. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so congratulations. Okay, we are done with the day 1 certificates. We have, okay, so this is what I have here. So that's it for today. If you believe this video tutorial helped you in editing your complete name in your certificate, please have a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Some English lessons are also uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of your day.